I needed advice. I needed to come to a professional for coaching. I think everyone does. Like, I used to think I knew that I was good at something, but how do you convey it? And I also thought too that, look, the best golfer in the world, Tiger Woods, best tennis player, they even have coaches. So if it's good enough for them, it's probably good enough for me. Lots of confidence, unbelievable confidence. When you change a role, if you're made redundant or something like that, you really lack a bit of confidence. You wonder why, how could this happen? There was some really, really good, I'd almost say, rebuild in what we do. And that shone through. People around me who I worked with, people around me in my family, they could see straight away that that course is worth every cent. They could see the way I was talking, walking, and confidence and what I'd gained from it. 100%, definitely do it. Follow the program. Go in there with a mind of wanting to succeed. Don't go in there with any sort of skepticism, but you've got to have the right frame of mind that I can do it, I want to do it, I will do it, and these guys will help you to no end. But you've just got to have that mindset that you can do it. I've already recommended a few people, and you've got to be careful who you recommend. If you work with people there, they might leave, so you don't want to do that. But look, my family are going to do it. Friends are going to do it. Anyone I know